Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Max streaming subscription quickly and easily, follow these step-by-step instructions to terminate your membership properly. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to max.com. Note that you cannot cancel your subscription through the mobile app. Step 2. Click Sign In and enter your Max account credentials to access your account. This could be email, Google, Apple, or TV provider login. Step 3. After signing in, click on your profile picture or account icon in the top right corner of the website. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Account, Settings, or Subscription to access your account management page. Step 5. Find the subscription or billing section where your current plan and payment details are displayed. Step 6. Click Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription to start the cancellation process. Step 7. Max may present reasons to stay or offer discounts. Select Continue to cancel if you want to proceed, or choose a reason for canceling if asked. Step 8. Confirm your cancellation when prompted. You'll receive an email confirmation and your service will continue until your current billing period ends. After that, your subscription will not renew. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.